This is amazing because you can actually charge it up, plugs in right here. Once you unplug it, it's got a 2000 milliamp hour battery. This is a nice steady little area here that you can just pull your legs all the way out. The whole chair swivels all the way around and it holds 420 pounds. It's got a nice wide seat at 26.4 inches that you could sit here crisscross. You can actually recline back 180 degrees. And once you're all the way back, I mean, my feet are barely hanging off. It is a nice soft leather on here. You can actually adjust the height by using this little lever here. You can go down, or you can actually bring it back up. It's got a nice 9.5 inch cushion here. It's a great chair to be able to use for any office. It is a heavy beast that is ready for the job and super comfortable.
You guys just watched the unboxing and assembly video, and I was really impressed by how well everything was packaged. Everything was wrapped very carefully, and it looked really, really clean in the packaging. It was super easy to assemble. The instructions were really clear. So overall, I think this is an excellent gaming chair. It's such a good option if you're looking for this kind of chair, and I really recommend it.